Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you how to get MIUI 12 on Samsung device. Looks like MIUI 12. So in first, you need to have these 6 apps and one another app, Poco Launcher. So you can see here, my device looks like this, looks like this, looks like this, and looks like this. You can see here. So I have to change that all. And first I have to come on to my Zapier and install Poco Launcher. You have to install it from Google Play Store. You have to install it from Google Play Store. I have to come on to Backup and Poco Launcher and install. It's installing right now. So it's installed and done. And you have to select a home app, Poco Launcher or Samsung Experience Home. You have to select Poco Launcher. After selecting Poco Launcher, click on Poco Launcher and this window will pop up. So Poco Launcher and click on this button and click on this button right here, and I have read and agree to privacy policy user agreement and allow. After allowing, you can see here the looks have been changed, a little bit of a change. So you have to tap on the home page and select settings and more, and click on icon pack and MIUI 11. So you have to select this and apply. So applied successfully. Child size is a little bit of a smaller. I have to pick that. Click on settings, more settings, and customize layout and M. So apply. So that's have a little bit of a big. So that's the size, and click on file manager and back that up. So after this, I have like a dark theme. Click on more and select the background and dark and apply. So it's applied right now. You can see here applied. So you have to come to ultra volume. After coming to ultra volume, this window will pop up. Ultra limited version, select that and click on start and allow that, and click on ultra volume and on. Okay, and click on skins. After clicking on skins, select MIUI. After selecting MIUI, you can see here MIUI is right here. So after selecting MIUI, and you have to, so after that you have to click on Mi Control Center. So after clicking on Mi Control Center, or try limited version, click on and select dual SIM, allow, and accessibility. You have to allow accessibility on. Okay, and notifications so this feature is not available on this device. My device is A2 Go, so this feature isn't available. So you can see here that have been added. So you can add MIUI 12 wallpaper. Live wallpapers are MIUI 12 wallpapers are live wallpapers, but is in the Play Store. You can select it. So you have to select it, and after this click on Picasso. After clicking on Picasso, allow, and click on this video button right here. This you can see here, this button right here. So recommended. So this will coming. I will skip the video. So after coming to Picasso, you can see here the animations, and select that animation right here. Select that. That's a MIUI 12 animation. So select that, and you can see here, click on the check button, and you have to click on watch ads to unlock. You can see here, put on charger to view more animation, and click on OK. So after this, you can see here my device looks what was in first and what is right now. So you can see here notification center. You can see here while I'm up and down key. You can see here everything is changed to Redmi. So I have to put a charger. Wait for that. So guys, you can see here, when you lock the phone, the charger animation will be seeing. So it's not seeing right now. So like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Bye.